Returning to wealthy coin, howdy mate, Shiba Inu will skyrocket tenfold overnight to $0.01 the moment Shibarium is released. This day's Shiba Inu update. Ryoshi, the man of Shiba Inu coin, has presented an L2 solution blockchain called Shibarium. Keep in mind that Shibarium isn't the blockchain for Shiba Inus. Its connection to Ethereum is permanent and unchanging. Cutting down on transaction fees for those using the Shiba ecosystem is a primary objective. The introduction of Shibarium will attract new investors and cause the price of Shiba Inus to skyrocket overnight. When Shibarium is released, the Shiba Inu will increase in value tenfold overnight, reaching $0.01. We'll go over this in the video. This day's Shiba Inu update. If you want to watch more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video. Without further ado, take a look at what Shiba Inu is up to on September 27th. The Shiba Inu price has fallen 6.4% over the last day. SHIB has lost 19% of its value in the past month, and the 24-hour dip just adds to the tremendous negative pressure. At the time of writing, SHIB was worth 0.00001124 USD. It appears that the bearish mood is having an effect on Shiba Inu, causing its price to drop to new lows, with a little decline to $6.63 billion in market value. SHIB has seen $433 million in trading volumes during the previous 24 hours. SHIB is currently the 12th biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, having dropped out of the top 10 a few months ago. SHIB hit a new all-time high at the close of last year after a huge bull run. But from these heights, it has fallen 86%. While the rest of the cryptocurrency market has been seeing wild swings recently, SHIB has had a more difficult time establishing a steady foundation. After 2 months of remaining above the $0.00001 mark, though, the meme coin appeared to be on the upswing. For some time now, the price of SHIB has maintained a steady position above the $0.0000001 support level. At the month's end in July, it surpassed this mark, and subsequent action resulted in a 50% increase. Before sellers joined the market, it maintained the uptrend for some time. Midway through September, the downward trend in SHIB was confirmed. The price of SHIB will fall below the $0.0000001 levels and look for support at $0.0000093 and $0.0000008. If the present negative trend persists, although this drop may seem negative at first, it may really lead to a bull trend in the long run if traders acquire meme coin at cheap rates. Bulls and bears are engaged in a power struggle as the moving average conv line sits near the signal line. As long as selling pressure persists, the relative strength index will remain 46, indicating that bullish optimism is dwindling, which means SHIB's short-term trading could stay in the red zone. One possible interpretation of the RSI is that a trend reversal is imminent. This means SHIB has the potential to make a sudden move, perhaps testing the following levels of resistance at $0.0000012 and $0.0000015. Nevertheless, this leap may also be contingent upon more widespread market backing and beneficial ecosystem developments. More than 855 billion Shiba Inu tokens have been purchased by major wallet investors on the Ethereum blockchain in the last 3 days. A bullish trend reversal in SHIB is indicated by massive Shiba Inu accumulation by whales. Statistics on whales show that the top 100 Ethereum blockchain whales have bought more than 855 billion Shiba Inu tokens. Those with huge wallets have interestingly transferred 4.35 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. When big wallet investors or a large amount of tokens are buying Shiba Inu, it usually means the meme coin's price is going to change. Shiba Inu tokens are amassed by whales on the Ethereum network through dips. Shiba Inu prices seem to peak around the time that whales are highly active in the area. Thus, advocates believe that Shiba Inu holders should be positive during the accumulation phase. According to ShibBurn, the burn tracker for Shiba Inus, 76.4 million SHIB tokens have been stolen and removed from circulation permanently. Dead wallets have had their tokens transmitted to them, therefore they are no longer usable. Shiba Inu's price is expected to rise to the $0.0001394 level, according to Tony M., a technical analyst at FX Street. The Shiba Inu pricing has been trending downward for the past week, according to the analyst. Shiba Inu's downtrend is weak and a bullish trend reversal is likely due to the unpredictable pullbacks that occurred over the period. If bulls can hold the $0.0000880 level as support, the analyst believes that the bullish trend in Shiba Inus will be invalidated. If the price of Shiba Inu falls below this level, it will most likely continue to fall until it reaches 0.000000. Despite increasing the burn rate, more than 10.4 billion shib or $115,000 could not be burned in those 3 months. Furthermore, according to CryptoQuant's data, net deposits on exchanges were high when compared to the 7-day average. Famous for its stunning partnership with Marvel's cinematic universe, this can be seen as increased selling pressure in the market, which is a major factor in the price's continuous decline. The value of Shiba Inu, according to experts, will skyrocket as a result of this. They anticipate top-notch development, visualization, and design as a result of their collaboration with TTF. But as the Shiba Inu ecosystem expands its SHIB roadmap, it will be necessary to use Shibarium for some projects. Many advantages will be available as a result of the Layer 2 approach that has been suggested. Shibarium can address the issue by raising the gas fee for ships or by reducing the transaction fee. Shibarium would simplify it, even though developers are currently addressing this issue. There were more than 549 trillion SHIB tokens waiting to be burnt, and investors would be able to lower that number with Shibarium's burning mechanism, according to the article. Last Friday, Shiba Inu raised their burn rate to 408%. Thus, they are probably prepared to start climbing as soon as Shibarium is released. One of the local tokens of Shiba Inu, BONE, rose 20% today, reaching a new intraday high of $1.37. The price of BONE continues to rise as investors increase their buying pressure on the token in anticipation of the upcoming launch of the Shibarium public beta testnet. With any luck, we should be able to launch the testnet before the end of this month. With an 87% increase in value over the previous 30 days, the token's price reached a 30-day high of $1.77 earlier this week. Investors in BONE last month saw a roughly two-fold boost to their portfolio value as a result. Following July 2022, the price of BONE began to rise. In the span of less than a month, it went from $0.48 to $1.10. BONE's price is continuing going up as of Thursday afternoon, according to the latest CoinGecko data. The conclusion of the following week, if it can maintain its current momentum, it might trade at $2. Investors have seen enormous rewards as the price of BONE has doubled in the last 3 months. The actual date of the Shibarium network's launch, however, has not been announced yet. Launch details were just disclosed this month by the SHIB team. As expected, speculators are piling up BONE tokens in anticipation of the Shibarium debut date, with the hopes of getting in on the action early. Since BONE would serve a purpose on the Shibarium network, investors think its value may continue to rise. They would therefore benefit financially from a price hike. According to recent reports, BONE will continue to face increasing demand from investors until the SHIB team reveals when the Layer 2 network will be launched. New information shows that BONE is up 10.9% in the past day, with a current price of $1.37. It peaked in July 2021 at $15.50, but it's still 91.3% off that price. In an announcement earlier this month, the SHIB team limited the total supply of BONE tokens to $230 million, thereby ending the token's minting. 20 million are reserved for Shibarium and gas validators. BONE was one among the top cryptocurrency gainers last month, with a substantial increase in price due in part to news of exchange listings. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.